Well, good morning everyone. It is Mark and Billy. We're with you today on the 18th of August. It's 7:17. We've been out here for a few minutes floating around getting set up. Billy just caught himself a nice little catfish on a peanut butter and jelly wacky worm. Get the pliers. Dang. We're at Larry Gale's. Right behind us is a launch, and we're going to fish over in this area, see how the fishing is. It is a beautiful day. Water temperature is 85 degrees. Outside air temperature 64. A couple of little clouds here and there. High of 94, so we got 30 more degrees to warm up. If you caught our last video, we went out to the Roubidoux River in Waynesville, right off I-44. In fact, we parked right under the I-44 bridge. Launched Billy's Nitro 1. We call his little bass buggy Nitro 1. Haven't got the decals on it yet, but you need to paint a metal flake too there, Billy. Oh. Yeah, put a metal flake paint job on it, and then we'll try to paint it with a nitro scheme, with the nitro waves on the side of the boat. Yeah, anyhow, we were out in Nitro 1 on the Roubidoux. Did very well catching some bass. Link in the description or up above here, if I can figure out how to do that. But we did very well. We had just about a 10-pound bag of fish. We caught one fish almost 3 pounds. And Billy reminded me to add a note to that video. If you go watch it, or if you go fish some of these rivers, even up here at the lake, is especially on the rivers, you know, Roubidoux is just a creek. It's not that big. They do stock it with trout, but they don't stock it with bass as far as we know, right, Billy? Right. You know, so if you take the bass out of that river, they're gone. So don't take the bass out of the river. You know, leave the bass for people that like to catch fish and have a chance to catch them again. You know, bass are pretty sporting fish. If you're that hungry, you know, go to McDonald's, get a fillet of fish, or a restaurant or something. I already said what the water temperature is 85. So far, no bass, but we're going to get at it. So appreciate everyone joining the channel. You get a chance, you know, just hit that like button if you like the content. If you got any comments, put a comment down there in the comment section. I always like to hear from some of the folks that enjoy watching the videos. And we will let you know if we catch anything. All that information will be in our highlights, the videos, and the information at the end of the video. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for those highlights. There's one. Oh, nice one. Well, thank you for joining the party. Ripped my worm in half. That's odd.
Yeah.
That a Z-man would rip in half like that.
Probably all that flopping around.
Yep. All right. He's almost 16 inches. 15 3/4. Should be a pounder and a half. He's a little skinny. Probably 1.48. Maybe 1.5. Maybe 1.6. Oh, 1 3/4.
Got a hell of a cut under it. Under his heels at the bottom. Got a big cut.
174. Dang, what do I got here? Just picked it up. I got a nice one, Billy. Man, he just picked it up and took off with it. Bam! Bluff wall. Now that's a keeper there. Whoa, yeah. 16 3/4 of an inch. Bluff wall. Peanut butter and jelly. Wacky worm. $1.85. 28 feet of water right here. No napkins? Well, I've got my dude wipes. Well,
Try something that we know is going to work, maybe.
oh, I know it works. Peanut butter and jelly works. It's working. It ain't working that great, but I mean, Crush City just kind of disappeared off the map on catching fish, didn't it? I mean, for a while it was like on fire, and then it was just like, pfft.
It's like we say, though, you buy a bait after you catch a shitload, then you know they don't bite again on it. It's like on those damn orange type brush hogs we bought.
Well, there's one right there. He was over on the rocks over here. He's a nice one. There's a keeper. Gee, I'll take him. Right there.
Yeah, right off those rocks. I seen where you threw it.
Oh shit, he just came off. Yo, go down there. Get on down there. It's hot, I'm telling you. You ain't gonna like it. You think that's bad. Yeah, it's like being on the frying pan, isn't it?
Yeah, down in Springfield, they were saying that pavement's like 150
yeah.
degrees.
Yeah, it's hot. It's hot. $15.5 inches.
Well, you might have all the keepers today.
Number 3. But they ain't big keepers. I mean, you guys pull up these 5-pounders day after day after day after day.
Oh, they're going out there.
All
They
the
know
time.
where the brush piles are, and they know what.
It's like they ain't bringing the fish that ain't less than 5 pounds. 182. Damn, for a 15-inch fish, that ain't bad. And there's something right there that's got it. Nice fish. Bigger fish, Billy. Maybe a keeper. Yeah, I think so. I think so. Come here, dude. Yeah, another good fish. That was that worm's gone. Oh yeah, he's 16.5 inches. This was a spot. I knew it looked kind of good. It's a rocky bank in the shade. Oh, a 2-pounder. 198. That's a 2-pounder. Oh, there's one right there. A decent bass. He's a pounder plus. He's a little over a pound. Yep, 1.3. .32 boat dock, Crush City. Last cast. Last call. And guess what? And I got a good one. I got a good one. I had to toss over towards that walkway. It just looked good. It was good. Oh shit. Come on, dude. Yeah. I know you're a keeper. I just want to know how much of a keeper. You're a 17-inch keeper. And big fish of the day. Come on, Till, where's my Till? There's how the big waves come by. 233, bam. Bloodied his lip a little bit, but that is a nice bass. Walkway, First City.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna